Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the cheesiest and tastiest mac and cheese in town. First, you want to get your pasta started. Pour about 4 quarts of water into a large pot and bring to a boil. While you're waiting for the water to boil, you can start making your custard. Get a large bowl and 3 eggs. Heavy cream and milk. Mix thoroughly. Make sure you get the yolks busted. After mixing, put aside for later. When the water starts boiling, add your pasta and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir occasionally so that the salt mixes with the water and the pasta doesn't stick. Cook the noodles for 8 minutes. You don't want them overcooked because they will continue cooking when you put them in the oven. After 8 minutes, drain the noodles. Then pour them into a large bowl while still hot. Cut 1 stick of butter into 1/2-inch slices and add them to the pasta. Stir until the butter is completely melted. Next, add your sour cream. Stir the sour cream until it is evenly mixed with the pasta. Add the entire 8-ounce pack of shredded Colby Jack cheese and mix. Mix in 1 8-ounce pack of shredded Sharp Cheddar. Then, mix in 4 ounces of mozzarella, 1/2 a pack. Next, add your seasoning. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and my secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon of Tony Chachere. Mix the seasoning in. Coat the inside of a baking dish with butter or use a disposable aluminum pan. Put the first layer of the pasta/cheese mix in the pan. Use half of the pasta/cheese mix and spread it evenly. Top it with mozzarella. Make sure you leave enough to top one more layer. Sprinkle some sharp cheddar cheese on top of the mozzarella. Next, you add your custard. Use half of your custard. Add another even layer of the pasta/cheese mix and then add the rest of the custard. Top it off with a layer of mozzarella and sharp cheddar. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Make sure you let it cool off for 10 to 15 minutes before you dig in. Bon appetit!